Hey guys, welcome back to Forever Family. This is homeowner woes. So, yes, hi Maya. Anyways, so I noticed that there's some like water down here. I don't know if you can like see it, but there's water right there. And I'm like, oh great, I was just using the sink and how did I get water down there? Like, there's no water up here. Like, I'm trying to do the dishes, trying to clean up. You know what? This black garbage disposal thing is leaking water. Look at this. Look at that. How long has it been doing this? Like, I noticed like a couple days ago, like, there was a big pile of water down there, or maybe it was yesterday or the day before. I don't know. But it's like, what the heck? So now I just have to wait for John to get home to help me clean it up. I don't know how to fix a leaky garbage disposal. Maybe you just have to tighten a screw or something. I don't know. But the whole thing is like, I don't know. That whole bottom looks nasty. So we have to clean that whole thing out and hopefully it's not like completely ruined.
It's been leaking slow enough that it only did half of it.
Yeah, so it looks like the garbage disposal is leaking just on this side. And John's home now and he took all that stuff out and he's air drying it with the fan right now.
Well, I dried it out and I got the fan on it.
Yeah. Icky, this is nasty.
Yeah, it's so nasty.
So you guys know that our garbage disposal, well, I guess I said under our sink was leaking, but it's actually the garbage disposal is leaking, which I guess means the bottom is rusted out and it's time to get a new one. So I am out Christmas shopping and my husband just called me and told me that because we've just kind of been letting it drip for the past couple of days into a bowl because we like haven't had time to worry about it yet. So he just texted me that. Apparently they're only supposed to last about 5 years and we've lived in our house for 5 years, so okay. New garbage disposal it is. So I'm going to head on over to Home Depot and get a new garbage disposal and then we're going to have to figure out how to install it. Fun. Okay, so how long is this going to take? Huh?
20 minutes.
Yeah, right. The under the sink is disgusting now. Look at this. It's all, ugh. Makes me mad. Anyways, this is the one that I picked out from Home Depot. Insinkerator. It's not, you gotta say it like that. It's just Insinkerator. Yeah.
We currently have a Badger 1, and we're upgrading to the Badger 500.
Yeah.
Which is the same as a Badger 5. Just the Badger 500 said it was going to be more expensive, but it was the same price. But they were added the Badger 5.
Yeah, so. Okay, what tools do you need?
I need...
Is this gonna, like, clean? Because that just makes me so mad looking at it.
This?
Yeah.
No.
You can't just replace it either, can you?
No.
I can't believe it dripped that long and I didn't even notice.
Well, we had all these freaking Walmart bags piled up all over the whole place. I wouldn't have known.
Well, I need them as garbage bags.
Alright, so first I'm going to disconnect the power. Then I'm going to disconnect the dishwasher. Then I'm going to disconnect the water line, or the drain, where it goes down the drain.
Nasty drain.
And then I'm going to disconnect it from the bottom of the sink. Now, it should be universal since they are a Badger. It's a Badger too, so I shouldn't have to redo this hardware. It should disconnect. This should screw onto the new one.
We're hoping.
And then, so I should just have to take a screwdriver, like put it on here and ping it and twist the whole thing off. But that's the last step.
Okay, let's start disconnecting everything. What happened?
I was pulling the plug and it jerked out and I smashed my hand on this like scratchy fiberglass sink, and it hurt.
I'm
really
like,
bad.
why wasn't I recording? Okay, I'm not gonna make that mistake again.
Alright, so I need a screwdriver.
Where's your toolbox? It's behind you. It's behind you. In this mess. Ew.
Okay, so that is the dishwasher. Now this.
It's a flathead up there.
Is it?
Yeah. Is it dripping?
It might.
Ew.
It's almost like I knew that was gonna happen.
Ew, that's so gross. Should we get like a towel or something to put under all this? Maya, get out Daddy's tools. Is that the only screw? Or is there one on the other
There's
side?
one on the other side. You don't hand me that blue ball. How do plumbers do this?
Oh, they get under the sink. They lay down or whatever. I don't know. Yep, get under there. Ooh. This should be interesting. Okay, let's see. Oh, you gotta twist that off too. Come on, use those muscles.
It hurts my tendonitis.
Oh, there you go. Don't break it. Ew, 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 ew. I already know it's gonna be gross. I think you gotta pull it from the other side. Whoa. Okay, pull it off. Figure it out. Maya, watch out. It's gonna make a mess. Is that cool? What are you doing?
Trying to figure out.
It comes out right there. Pull it out. Get the bowl under there. I'm gonna... Ew. Ew. See? Told... Ugh. That is disgusting. Ew. Ew, stop. Ew. Just put it in the bowl.
I did.
Ew. I hate doing this stuff. Remember when we had to unclog the sink in here? And you just had to unclog our bathroom sink? Ew, that was so gross. So that just twists off. Right? It just twists off.
There we go.
There's nothing in it, is there? How's that come off?
I think it just pops off.
Is there one already on this garbage disposal that we have?
Ooh. I need this piece, I think. Oh.
Here, let's open the box. Ooh, fancy looking. What is that piece?
Hey, it's a plug.
Hey, cool. We got a plug.
Oh, oh.
See, you don't need that part. What is all that? Anything else in there?
Nope.
Okay. Box moved. What is that for?
This is the part that goes up to the sink, I believe. But, like I said, I think we can just use this hardware.
Because it's supposed to be interchangeable?
I guess. Just to... Okay, so that's like how it holds on.
So, you want to try and put it up there? What are you doing? Are you shy? Are you a shy girl? No, you're not shy. You're shy.
Die.
Shy. Say shy.
Die.
Shy.
Die.
Oh, the power.
Oh yeah, we gotta connect the power cord. Where's the power cord? Where's the power cord at? I bought a power cord, but we're gonna try and use the old power cord first. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And so you just pull that stuff off and connect it. Power cord look good still?
Yeah, it looks fine. Maybe the cord's not going to be good.
Because it was leaking like right where the cord is? Okay. Well, good thing I bought another one. John, just leave it. I'll just get the other cord.
It's probably fine.
I don't know. Do you want to risk it? I already paid for it, so it's already paid for. Let's just use the other cord.
Nope, another ground wire.
Okay, so John. Oh, well, maybe not. He was gonna cut the wires and strip it back a little bit more, but is it in the junk drawer? The dreaded junk drawer. I don't see any wire cutters in here.
Well, it might be in there. Because I'm going to have to strip the new cord anyway.
Okay. So Mr. Nobody used the sink decided to use the sink and splattered water everywhere down the drain. Good job, smart guy.
I was refilling my water.
Bye. Okay, John got the wires stripped. Ew, tip it over, tip it over. Yuck. Yickies.
Okay.
Now he's gonna wire this new one.
Clean up the mess I made.
Yeah, you made a mess. Oh, there's water all over it. What'd you do? Oh, yeah, you dropped water down the sink. You ding-a-ling. Is there water inside of it?
Huh?
There's water all over it.
Yeah. The water ran right into it.
So after reading the instructions, we have to tap out this drain plug, I guess.
Once it's tapped out, it can never be put back.
Well, you don't want it back, right?
No. the people that have a dishwasher, that's where the dishwasher water goes in. And if you tap it out, then you can use your dishwasher. But if you take out your dishwasher, you'll never be able to use this garbage disposal again because there'll forever be a hole there.
Can't plug it up with something else?
Ouch.
Awesome job. Okay, now we can wire it, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's get this thing wired.
Yes, we can wire it.
All right.
I need.
Hi.
And I still in my PJs.
You are in your PJs.
Yeah.
This one say. So I would think that this is negative and this is positive. And then the ground wire goes right here.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure.
Yeah, just make sure. There's a lot of Googling going on right now.
I just want to make sure that white is neutral. And if neutral means negative. Because I know on these that from installing this that the negative is ridged where the positive is smooth. And then that's the ground.
Yeah.
So
Come on, get those wires through there. Good job. Do you want to plug it in to see if all the wires are done correctly? I can just flip the switch on and off real quick.
oh, that sounds safe.
And my name is Evie.
Your name is Evie. But, we want to make sure. You're going to get it all plugged in and hooked up and everything, and then you're going to turn it on and it's not going to work.
It'll work.
You sure?
Yep.
Well, if it doesn't, I'm going to say, I told you so. Okay, let's put it back up in there, I guess. Ugh, where'd all your lights go? Okay, here's one. There, can you see it now?
That's a different head.
It is a different head? I told you to test it out first.
They look the same.
You never listen to me. So it's a different size?
Maybe not. You just have to
Push it in. You just have to like push it down harder or something. Use those muscles. Get it up there. It's the same. Come on. Twist it. Come on. Did you get it?
for sure I got 2 of them, but I don't know about the other one.
You just moved the whole sink. You know what stinks? Is we need a new sink on top of everything else too still. New dishwasher, we got a new faucet, and now a new garbage disposal, and our sink is poo-poo too. I burnt a hole almost all the way through it.
Alright. I'm just gonna stick my head up in there.
Okay, go ahead and reattach everything. And get everything out of the way.
Make sure that everything is screwed on. Alright.
Dishwasher connect. And now replacing the pipe, maybe? Is it in there? Good job. Okay, now you just gotta put all the screws in, I guess.
First, go ahead and run some water through it to see if there's any leaks, and then I'll worry about plugging it in.
Okay. Here you go.
All right.
Okay, here goes the water test. Everything going good?
No leaks. Doesn't look like anything's leaking.
What?
That doesn't look like anything's leaking.
Okay, good.
All right.
Plug it in, buddy.
Here.
Moment of truth. See if you wired everything correctly. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the water and turn on the disposal. Ooh, it worked! It turned on, yay! Congratulations, Mr. Handyman.
Hey, saves us a lot of money.
Yeah, now we
It's
just
like
gotta...
$350 to have a plumber come out and do it, and we did it for $110.
Yeah. Now I just have to figure out how to make the ickies go away down there.
Well, probably first dry it out, then you might be able to sand it, but it's particle board, so
Yuck. So, we did it.
oh yeah.
We are just becoming so handy in our house. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you tuned with our...
Home adventures.
Yeah, home adventures.
Homeowner adventures.
See you guys later. Bye-bye.